Yo Jamaica, what go on? New link production there, man. Go switch on me outside light there, man, cause new link I go tell you what go on. Yo viewers, yo subscribers, big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing, go. Yo people, me just get the information say another policeman, them lick him right down a Yorktown there, na St. Catherine in Jamaica. 35-year-old constable at one party. Yes, them gunman, about 4 gunmen go at the party, shoot up the police and shoot up an next man there where they did the police. The police drop on the roadway at the party. Yesterday gunman go over him and them just put more shot in him. You understand? The other person, the hospital is still upon treatment, but the police dead on spot. Yeah, people, alright. When you only have to say about the story, there's one heap of side to a story, you see me? And you see, I have a thing called revenge. And revenge, sometimes most things you see happening in Jamaica are revenge, you know. A revenge man attack, you know. You see me? Most things you see go on that place are revenge. Things you see happen already, man a retaliate back after. Because this same police officer, him just gone back into the force. Like, cause he was in the force before, and he was on suspension for 5 years. 5 years for murder charge. So he was on suspension for 5 years. You understand? So you don't know what that say. New link, you know nothing what he said there, so you don't know what that say, people. You don't know what that say. You understand? And boy, you're saying say eye for an eye, but as New Link I tell you a whole other side for your story. That's why I tell you, you say what you talk, and I say New Link represent for good police and corrupt police me no support, you understand? But still it is a life gone. And you don't know, we have to, it does great if you know say we police officers them sometimes they can get caught up in a some situation sometimes where we don't even know are not involved, because him can depend on a murder charge, depend on suspension, and still yet it can be a murder and it cannot be a murder. You understand? Him kill somebody else, but kill him in what type of way or what kind of format. I don't know. I'm just saying that him can be we murder somebody. You understand? He murder somebody loved one, and the people them decide, so you kill my loved one, your day come, 5 years time your day come, and that's your day. Then book you at the right spot at the right time. Because sometimes people, I tell you, no feel say you will do people things in life and then forgot what you do, you know. Be careful. No feel say we do people things in life and then forgot you feel say every day good in your life. Because what happened maybe this man for 5 years him did and him a kick back him now gone a party and him now and him a say yo, him friend maybe say yo, you know say everything good man. Nobody can do nothing man. People forgot about that long time and a 5 year and whatever now you know. And him just got a party that night and man just make a call and say and say yo. And say no, so the boy there at the party and say which boy? The same police boy where they killed such and such. And he say, alright then, not see a word. Boom, boom, link up someone now. Yo. Boom, 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 boom. Find him. Boom, boom. In the on the ground chop. Boom, boom. You can't know why. Him need them, we want to kill him back. Because him do. But, why? He just sad, you know. You know say another officer gone. You understand? Because remember, so them shoot a police, a man devil about 2 days ago, you know. Another police did a man devil, you know. I remember my police virgin when they tell about dead the other day, you know. Yo. Wow. There's a whole heap of go on. A whole heap of thing go on at Jamaica, you know. You understand? Whole heap, man. Your viewers, subscribers. So New Link does I say, alright, to the person who died, where they dead by them, this policeman or them say murder, my condolences to you and the family of this man, my deepest condolences. And to the police officer family, my deepest condolences to the police officer and his family, same way. You understand? Because life gone, and you know nice to know in a life gone, as New Link said. But viewers, subscriber, we just have to stay strong in the thing. And I'm telling you, all my viewers them around the world, you know, please be careful. Please be careful. Because you see what going over there, over America there, are 7 hours, 9 dead them say now, you know, and 11 people injured. You understand? You know, this truck attack on the people them. And them do that right next door the World Trade Center people. It's another warning for the World Trade Center, me are telling you, you know. It's another warning for that World Trade Center. So, by God's will, we just hope Mr. Trump will prepare and know so these people will not trust certain people in the country. And I love when you understand, because a lot of things are going on, man. There's a lot. There's a lot of going on, people. It's not an easy road. It's not an easy road. You understand? We have to pray, we have to pray, we have to have faith and believe in Christ, because time is near and time is short. You understand? Because we have to too much people are dead, too much things are going on. You get me? I say, you cannot drive on the road, see the man just drive, boom, little don't kill you. You cannot walk, this man just come, boom, shoot or kill you. Eh? It's like, yeah, live, but, yeah, you know when you live, but you know, say, and I like one time when you have to prepare your body, and I say, no, say, me have to hide from that sickness there, because I don't want to catch that sickness, that disease there. But no, you can't hide from nothing, because anything out there, you go to the street, you're not safe nowhere at all. These are the times that we come to live in now. So imagine 5-10 years from now, what will happen? Man, I just start growing anyway and see and kill. Just blue, anyway. People, just be careful. No link I tell you, no? Be careful. My viewers, my subscriber, be careful. You understand? And stay safe, please. And we just say our condolences to the police officer again, and to the people who them said the police that they kill. And we don't know, say, I hope justice has been served. And my viewers, subscribers, have a good night. New link production there. Bless up people. I go eat some food now. Blessed love.